the ceiling, I'm looking down. Nobody's home yet, 'cause I lost a man. Tragic old times for us to forget. It's been way too hard to let it all go. Let's go somewhere, let's die from there now. 'Cause I know the sequence, I know the reasons, but I won't give up. We've been too far, we've been so quick. Nobody's home yet, 'cause there is no home. Elegy at moments that we can't repair. It's been way too hard to not live it so. Let's go somewhere, let's die from there now. 'Cause I know the sequence, I know the reasons, but I won't give up. Yeah, I won't give up.
Okay, what I've been doing today, I hope that you don't hear my phone because I'm listening to the news. Right now it's just the beginning of the result of the elections in England, and there were also some news in the US, and I'm always interested in the news, so very often I listen to the news, but it doesn't prevent me from creating in the same time. What are these images? So these images are from magazines, things that I keep because it inspires me, the colors, the prints. For example, here I like this kind of pattern. It doesn't mean that I'm going to copy that, it's inspiring for me. But instead of keeping them in a, I don't know, in a pouch, I prefer gluing them in my journals because it inspires me more. The only problem that I had, and I've been very stupid about that actually, is that I wanted to try the Jenny Bailey method to glue thin paper. So she suggests that we use some double-sided tape, gluing tape, some glue stick, and also the tacky glue. The three together. And I wanted to try that, but stupid I am, I forgot the tacky glue. I mean, there was so much of the glue stick and the double-sided tape that I didn't really have the space to put some tacky glue, and I glued it like that, and it's a very bad idea. So, or you listen to Jenny Bailey completely, or just do it as you do it usually, like with some I don't know, Mod Podge or any PVA glue which would work, because you see that's not good. Here, I don't know if you manage to see, but it's really very badly done. The flower is not complete here, but I'm going to finish it. And yes, I like these colors. I don't know, I think it's yummy, and I wanted to keep that. So I wanted to create today around that. It's not completely dry, so I must be careful. It's not finished. I will finish it. Otherwise, what did I do? Yeah, for example, I found that in a magazine, and I wanted to put them with this one because it was completely relevant. But same thing, I glued it by the bad manner and it was not great, so I had to put back some PVA glue, my French PVA glue that I have, which is some Caparol, but you're not going to find Caparol in England or in the US. I don't think so in England, and in the US we don't find that. It's actually, I think it's a German product, but we find it in France. So I will have to finish this page. And what did I do else? Yes, and I glued some more here. Same thing, I will have to create around my collages. That is really beautiful. That is around green. I love green. Green is a very strange color, I think. And I glued that also. So same thing, I will have to create around that. And just one thing here, but here I use some PVA glue because I learned my lesson, and I thought, okay, I'm not going to do the same mistake all the time. So I was not planning to do this video today. I had to do something for my Etsy shop that I will still do, but I've been sick during 2 weeks and I had to catch up all the work that I didn't do while I was sick. I'm not completely fine actually right now. But my next video will still be about what I plan to do about my Etsy shop. It will be something for my Etsy shop. Otherwise, there is something else that I wanted to show you. So you know that. And I've redone something similar. I started on a video, on a previous video here. And I finished the page by adding some wax crayons. I used those ones. It's Japanese. I'm not sure you are going to find those, but basically it's some wax crayons. So search for wax crayons and everything will be fine. But what I like is that the colors are really very flashy, like fluorescent. I love that. I love those ones. I also, because this paint is not acrylic, it's kind of ink, thick ink, and I have cat hair everywhere. I have 3 cats in my house, it doesn't help. So I had to seal that with it's something for fusain, it's charcoal and pastels, and I used that, and it's perfect because then it stays, you know. I'm not afraid that it's going, that is some pastels, I'm not afraid that it's going to smudge or to disappear with time, because I sealed that with this product. So that I bought that in France, but any varnish spray for charcoals and pastels will work. It makes the paint a little shinier, but it's not a big deal. At least I know that it's not going to disappear with my fingers. And this one, at the beginning I started by gluing this kind of paper which has some raised patterns. I don't know if you manage to see here, because I wanted to accentuate the raised pattern. The problem is that when you glue it, it becomes rather soft and the raised pattern don't stay so much everywhere, but still we can see the motif. And here it's some brown paper, thin brown paper, you know, for packaging, that I glued, and I use this, the pink one, on the raised parts, and it gives something interesting. That was some kind of plastic glued on kind of clasp for my hair, but it was not staying on it. I had to glue it again and again, and at a point I was fed up and I removed it and I used it here. And the skin is some acrylic, vermilion red with some white that I created, and there is some glitter here, and paints, and white pen, and markers. And I think that I'm done here, but you see, this journal is the draft book. For the paint, it's, you see how we can see through. The paper is really not thick. I love working on this paper, but for the paint, it really, we can see through. It's not really good. So same thing, I will have to create around that. I can't ignore the colors here, so I will have to think about it, or maybe glue something above it. I don't know yet, but I really like working on this paper. My next video will be the declutter of my drawer I talked about before. And then we will continue on some craft for my Etsy shop, as I was saying, because it's a part of my job and I actually have to do it quickly. You see here there is a print I must create around that. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, those are paper napkins. I think that I bought those at IKEA's, but years ago, so I don't know if this specific print still exists, but I wanted since a while to use these little flowers, and of course I will finish this page, it's not done yet. Okay, I leave you here. I see you very soon. Bye bye.